All right, guys, we have got the 4th gen 4Runner today with 1,400 miles. We are going to head down to the local Toyota dealership and basically see what's wrong with it. It hasn't had hardly any services, just a couple oil changes. The tires have never been rotated or anything, but we're not doing that today. But there's a bunch of stuff. We just kind of want the car combed through from a Toyota tech, see all of the service milestones that we have missed over the years. Obviously, we're not past the mileage part of it, but the date of it. The last oil change was in 2017. We know that like the coolant's never been replaced or flushed, the brake fluid, bunch of stuff. Timing belt's never been done. So we're just definitely gonna go make sure that the car is in a good spot and that we're not gonna have any big problems with it. Definitely like a coolant flush, like none of the fluids have been changed before. It's just kind of sat, so I don't know what else you recommend there. Oh yeah, timing belt for sure. The only thing that's ever been done to it is like 3 oil changes.
Maybe want to take a look at that while you guys are under, if it even really needs to be done.
The brakes?
Yeah.
They feel like pretty sticky.
Yeah, okay.
They feel weird,
Gotcha.
so I think just in case.
Take care of them, okay.
Yeah.
Your coolant, your brake fluid. This is your front and rear diff and transfer case gear oil, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and then your timing belt. That'll be your drive belt, water pump, with any questions?
No.
Okay, so that's the estimate before taxes, and then we're going to get you with Brendan, the shop foreman. Okay.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Connor. Nice to meet you. So yeah, we have been communicating with you guys because we own 4Runner Lifestyle, the aftermarket business just here in Orem, and my grandpa bought this new from here and he's only driven it 1,400 miles. And so there's only been like 3 oil changes on the car and pretty much nothing else ever. So it's just sat. So a lot of stuff has deteriorated and like fluids are bad. Luckily he used stable in the gas, but like I've been concerned even driving it here just because like nothing has been done to the car. Like it's just sat. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty low mileage.
Do you need me on video over there on the service truck?
Start
Thanks.
right up, it's good.
We'll only be here for like a couple things.
What do you want to see? How do you want me to do it?
Let's just start with the oil change. Yeah.
Coming at the same time, you don't got the time for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, keep it in the streets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, you don't got the time for us.
How's that oil look to you?
It's pretty clean.
Is it pretty clean?
Yeah.
Good.
Looks new, just like it's been ran in there for a little bit. But
seen a 4th gen 4Runner with this low of miles in here?
No. Not since they were new.
No, since they were new. Have you been working here a long time? Yeah.
2005?
Okay, so yeah, this was purchased in 2007. So you were here. You may have done an oil change on this car like the first couple of years of its life or something.
Yeah, it's positive. Yeah, usually these are all pitted out with rust, like in here.
That's usual rust spots on these.
The rocks kind of flip up and hit them.
Yeah, my grandpa bought it new here at Brent Brown and he refused to drive it, so. And I'm not gonna drive it either, I'm just gonna leave it.
Just leave it stock.
Yeah.
Wanna go somewhere, someplace not on earth. Can't find myself down there. Need to fly like the birds, to run away, oh, to run away, oh, to run away, oh, to run away, to run away, to run away, oh, how'd you fly? You are mine. All the questions in my mind. How to cry? Blue and white. All the questions in my mind. Oh, how to fly.
Thanks, man. Okay, we'll head out and let you do your thing. Let you do your work without someone with a camera in your face. So appreciate you being nice about that. Thank you. Okay, have fun with it.
Well,
So they just did the oil change and also service a 4-wheel drive. We're gonna let them do their thing on the rest of the stuff, but it was cool to see underneath the car and see the condition of the car. So we're gonna let them do their thing and then we're gonna get it back to our warehouse and we'll do an overview of everything we got done. And we do need to change those tires. Like I mentioned, they are from 2006 is the date codes on them. So that's going to be the next service on the car. And then we're going to do a first wash because the car has never been washed and it's dirty, and that beautiful paint has that flake in it and it's really gonna pop. So we just got back from Toyota, got the car all dialed in, did a bunch of stuff to it like I mentioned, timing belt, oil change, coolant flush, brake service. They serviced the four-wheel drive system as well. That had never been done. So just a bunch of stuff to make sure the car's dialed in, not gonna have any issues or any huge problems, especially the timing belt. That was a big one. And super stoked how it turned out. It was fun talking to the tech. Cool story, he was actually the guy who did the inspection of the car brand new before my grandpa purchased it. So crazy how long he's been there and that he was able to like see this car come full circle back there, show us under the car, the usual rust spots where it's just immaculate under the car. And it was fun to see all the Toyota employees' reactions to the car. Dude, it's cool. Have you ever seen one of that low miles come in here?
No way. No way.
When it pulls up, it obviously just looks like a clean 4th gen, but when you tell them the miles, or the guy like turns the ignition on to report the miles or whatever, and he's like, yo, is there something wrong with this? Like, what's going on? Why does it have 1,400 miles on it? Is there an error? Is there a new odometer? Like something fishy about it? So it was really cool to see their reaction to it, especially because it's a special car, the only V8 4Runner. So everyone was pumped to see it, and I'm glad that we're getting it all dialed in. Next up is going to be the tires, since the tires have never been rotated or changed. I'm kind of back and forth. Like, should we just keep the original tires in the car, or should we just get some new ones that are going to be a lot safer, but we're hardly going to be driving it? So let us know in the comments what you guys think we should do. That wraps it up for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.